name is Geoff Behrens. I'm the general manager of Alto-Reste Park. I'm the fourth generation of our family to be a part of this. We turned 100 in July. Our family from the beginning has been about serving this community. That's why we're here. The project really started shortly after I got here. How do we, as a burial park, adapt to the changes in consumers' wants, interests? Cremation is much more prominent than it has been ever. My great-grandfather's vision was to give people choices here. I really felt like that's where we were lacking, in that we weren't offering the choices to the cremation customers the same way we would for the traditional customers. If we want to maintain relevance as things change, we have to have the choices that consumers demand. So that was kind of the start of this.
We're located here at Alto-Reste today. We did an outcropping project that is done in the mountain rustic color. We were discussing doing this project and looking at drawings. The original part of it had poured walls and they were going to be stone faced, and it was just too far over budget to make it reasonable enough to be able to do. I was actually at a trade show and had seen this product and said to them, you know, hey, would you be interested in taking a look at it if we could maybe make it work your numbers? Lo and behold, here we are. I got with Hunter Olinger with Olinger Brothers and asked him about the material. He said, yes, we handle that.
I remember him walking in the office and him rolling out these plans, and it has the 3D rendering of this, and you see the tomb, and it gave you chills instantly when you see it. Like, this is something that's unique, a once-in-a-lifetime kind of project.
He said, let me get you in touch with Tasha at Lampus, and we'll see if we can get some numbers put together and see what we can come up with.
The tomb area and the wall above it, we knew would be a challenge. And I did two things. We reached out to our engineer that we work with directly, Sam Miller, and then Jerry with Rosetta. We obtained the layout and the engineer drawings. We went through on how to use the paraweb strapping and where the geogrid would be placed, the corner details, the top of the tomb, just the little things. I was here a lot. If they had a question or a problem when they were laying up corners, I made sure I was on the job whenever they needed me. I think that the project stays good from the beginning to the end, when everybody is still so excited about it at the end as they were in the very beginning. And I think everybody on this project was, for sure. It was a success.
This is a place of sombrance and remembrance. When you're here, you can even feel it right now. There's just the crickets, there was just a deer walking up there. It's a place that, you know, you almost feel at one with nature and yourself.
We wouldn't have had any other contractor than Rich and his team. They were absolutely wonderful from the beginning. And the product was really a key to all of it. The initial thoughts about how we were going to do this is not how it ended up going. When you look at the overall job costs, not only financially, but emotionally for our families, it just was really a no-brainer.
I'm just blessed to be part of it. Whenever it was done and you look at the footage and then you see the finished product, it's like, wow, we did that.